Observe the question, that is 4 times of cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 degrees is equal to. The first option root 3 minus root 50, second option root 3 plus root 50, third option root 5 plus root 3, and fourth option root 5 minus root 3. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this: 4 times of cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 degrees. That's all. Now 4 times of, actually we know that from transformations formula, cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, or sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. But here it is cos plus sin. That's why this sin can be transferred into cos, or cos can be transferred into sin. That's why this is taken as cos 66 degrees plus. So this is sin 84 can be right 90 minus 6 degrees. 90 minus 6 degrees. That's why it is 4 times of cos 66 degrees plus sin 90 minus 6 is cos 6 degrees. That's all. Now from this, now observe, here it is cos c plus cos d. We know the formula: cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That's all. So here it is 4 times of, here c is 66 degrees, d is 6 degrees. That's why it is 2 cos 66 plus 6 by 2 into cos 66 minus 6 by 2. That's all. Now from this, here it is. Here we have to write from this. Here we have to write this is 2 into 4 into 2, 8 cos 66 plus 6, 72. So 72 by 2 into, here it is cos 60 minus 6, 66 minus 6, 60 by 2. That's why this is 8 times of cos 36 degrees into cos 30 degrees. That's why it is cos 36 is, so 8 into cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That's why here 8 into root 15 plus root 3 by 4 into 2, 8. Now 8 gets cancelled. Answer is root 3 plus root 15. That's why this is the result. The result is root 3 plus root 15. That is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now observe the question, that is sin 70 degrees minus cos 40 degrees whole by cos 50 degrees minus sin 20 degrees is equal to. The first option root 3, second option minus root 3, third option 1 by root 3, and fourth option minus 1 by root 3. Now we have to take, this is sin 70 degrees minus cos 40 degrees by cos 50 degrees minus sin 20 degrees. Actually observe here, we know the formula: sin c minus sin d is there, cos c minus cos d is there, and sin c plus sin d is there, cos c plus cos d is there. That's why we have to change this cos in terms of sin, or change this sin in terms of cos. That's better. That's why here sin 70 degrees minus, this can be right cos 90 minus 50 degrees. Since cos 40 is nothing but sin 9 cos 90 minus 50 by, since 40 is nothing but 90 minus 50, here it is, here also this is cos of 90 minus 40. So 50 degrees, 90 minus 40. Here it is minus sine 20 degrees. That's why from this we get here it is. From this we get here it is. Now from this we have to write it is sine 70 degrees minus cos 90 minus 50 is sine 50 by it is cos 90 minus 40 is sine 40 minus sine 20 degrees. Now that's all. So these are in the form of sin C minus sin D. In both the numerator and denominator we have to apply the formula sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So we have to apply the formula, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So that is in numerator we have to write 2 cos 70 plus 50 by 2 into sin 70 minus 50 by 2 whole by in denominator same 2 cos 40 plus 20 by 2 sin 40 minus 20 by 2. That's why here 2 gets cancelled. Then it is cos 120 by 2. So that is cos 60 by it is cos 60 by 2, that is cos 30. Here it is sin 10 by sin 10 degrees. That's all. Now this is sin 10 degrees cancelled. Now cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That's all. Here both the numerator and denominator, both the denominator gets cancelled, that is, then it is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is the answer. That is in third option. So for this question, third option is the right answer. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to the question, that is cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees is equal to the first option 1 by 2, second option 1 by 4, third option 3 by 4 and fourth option root 3 by 4. Now we have to solve this question. So that is cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees. So this can be right. Cos square 76 degrees plus 1 minus sin square 16 degrees. Cos square 76 degrees. Cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta from identity minus here divide and multiply by 2. Then 2 cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees. That's all. Divide and multiply 2. Then 2 cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees. Now this is 1 plus cos square 76 degrees minus sin square 16 degrees minus 1 by 2 times of. Here this is in the form of 2 times of cos 76 degrees cos 16 degrees. Now observe. Now here this represents product of cosine expansions. Here this represents sum of cosine expansions. Now here formula cos square alpha minus sin square beta is cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. So this is the formula for this one. Now for this one 2 cos A, 2 cos alpha into cos beta is cos alpha plus beta, or 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That's all. That means here product transfer into sum. Now here this is 1 plus cos, according to this formula, alpha plus beta, 76 plus 16 degrees into cos 76 minus 16 degrees minus 1 by 2 times of, this is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That is cos 76 plus 16 into cos, plus the cos 76 minus 16 degrees. Right. Now from this we have to write, this is 1 plus cos, this is 92 degrees, cos 92 degrees now this is 1 plus, here it is cos 92, this is cos 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cos 92 minus, multiply with this, since here it is cos 92 cos 60, multiply with this, minus 1 by 2 cos 92 minus 1 by 2 cos 60 degrees. Now these two gets cancelled. Okay, next. Now this is, so these two gets cancelled, then 1 minus 1 by 2 into, here it is cos 60 is 1 by 2. So here it is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. That's all. 3 by 4 is the right answer, that is in third option. That's all. Okay, we're going to the next question. Now observe the question, that is cos 48 degrees into cos 12 degrees is equal to, the first option 3 plus root 5 by 4, and second option 3 plus root 5 by 8, and third option 3 minus root 5 by 4, and fourth option 3 minus root 5 by 8. Now observe this question. So given product of two cosine functions, now apply transformation, these are transformed to sum or difference. That's why, so take that cos 48 degrees into cos 12 degrees. Now divide and multiply by 2 for this one. Here it is 1 by 2, 2 times of cos 48 degrees into cos 12 degrees. We know the formula, that is 2 cos A cos B is nothing but cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So product transfer into sum. According to this formula, here it is 1 by 2 times of cos of 48 plus 12 plus cos of 48 minus 12. That's all. Here this is 1 by 2 times of cos 60 degrees plus cos 36 degrees. That's all. Now here it is 1 by 2 times of cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now take LCM here, 1 by 2 times of, here we have to take LCM here, it is, that is 2 plus root 5 plus 1 by 4. So we get, after simplification, it is 3 plus root 5 by 8. That is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to, one more question depends upon this concept. Now the question, that is cos theta minus cos 3 theta into sin 8 theta plus sin 2 theta whole by sin 5 theta minus sin theta into cos 4 theta minus cos 6 theta is equal to, the first option 1, second option cos theta, and third option sin theta, fourth option minus 1. Now we have to apply all the forms. That means observe the first bracket, cos C minus cos D formula. Here it is sin C plus sin D formula. Here it is sin C minus sin D formula. Here it is cos C minus cos D formula. So Here we have to write three forms. So for this one, minus or 2 sine d plus c by 2. That is 3 theta plus theta by 2 sine d minus c by 2. 3 theta minus theta by 2. Here for this one, 2 sine 8 theta plus 2 theta by 2. 8 theta plus 2 theta by 2. The sine, cos 8 theta minus 2 theta by 2 whole by, have you clear? Since here it is cos c minus cos d, that is 2 sine d plus c by 2 sine d minus c by 2. Sine c plus sine d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Here it is same, sine c minus sine d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 5 theta plus theta by 2 sine, here it is 5 theta minus theta by 2. Here it is cos c minus cos d again, 2 sine d plus c by 2 sine d minus c by 2. So 2 sine d plus c by 2, 6 theta plus 4 theta by 2 sine 6 theta minus 4 theta by 2. Right? Now here it is 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2 gets cancelled. Now this is sine 3 theta plus theta, 4 theta by 2 is sine 2 theta. Here it is sine theta. Here it is sine 5 theta. Here this is cos 3 theta since 6 theta by 2 whole by denominator. It is cos 3 theta. It is sine 2 theta. This is sine 5 theta. Now this is sine theta. That's all. So all gets cancelled. All gets cancelled. Now the answer is 1. That's why that is in first option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question depends upon this concept. Now the question is sin alpha plus sin 2 alpha plus sin 3 alpha plus sin 4 alpha by cos alpha plus cos 2 alpha plus cos 3 alpha plus cos 4 alpha is equal to the first option tan alpha by 2, second option tan 3 alpha by 2, and third option tan 5 alpha by 2, and fourth option cot 5 alpha by 2. Now we have to take the expression that is, here it is sin 4 alpha. This can be right in order. So that order is sin 4 alpha plus sin alpha and sin 3 alpha plus sin 2 alpha. So these two write in one set, that is sin 4 alpha plus sin alpha. Here it is sin 3 alpha plus sin 2 alpha. In denominator same, here sin cos 4 alpha plus cos alpha plus cos 3 alpha plus cos 2 alpha. So according to the transformations formula, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. According to those forms, in denominator we have to write in numerator. In numerator this can be write 2 times of sin 4 alpha plus alpha is 5 alpha by 2 into cos 4 alpha minus alpha, that is 3 alpha by 2. That's all. Plus, here same formula for these two. For these two we have to apply one formula. For these two I have to apply the same formula. Here for these two, 2 sin 3 alpha plus 2 alpha, that is 5 alpha by 2, into cos 3 alpha minus 2 alpha, that is alpha by 2. Have you clear? Now in denominator, for these two we have to apply one formula. For these two we have to apply same formula, that is cos c plus cos d. So that is 2 cos 4 alpha plus alpha, that is 5 alpha by 2, and here it is cos 4 alpha minus alpha, that is 3 alpha by 2, plus here also same, we have to apply 2 cos 3 alpha plus 2 alpha, that is 5 alpha by 2, into cos alpha by 2. That's all. Okay. Now from this we have to take common from numerator we have to take common 2 sine 5 alpha by 2. 2 sine 5 alpha by 2 in numerator. Then remaining cos 3 alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2. So in denominator we have to take common 2 cos 5 alpha by 2. That's all. In bracket we have to write here it is same function, that is cos 3 alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2. That's why in both the numerator and denominator 2 gets cancelled and this term gets cancelled. So remaining sin 5 alpha by 2 by cos 5 alpha by 2 is nothing but tan 5 alpha by 2. That's why result of this one is tan 5 alpha by 2. So that is in third option. That's all. That's why for this question the result is tan 5 alpha by 2, that is in third option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Now observe the question, that is cos theta plus cos 120 plus theta plus cos 240 plus theta is equal to the first option -1 and second option 0 and third option 1 and fourth option cos theta. That's all. Now we have to solve this question. So take this solution for this one, cos theta plus, now this can be right 180 minus 60 plus theta plus, here it is 180 plus 60 plus theta. Have you clear? Since here it is 120 is nothing but 180 minus 60 and 240 is 180 plus 60. Now this is cos theta plus cos of 180 minus, take common minus from these two, this is 60 minus theta and plus cos, here it is 180 plus 60 plus theta. That's all. Now from this, so from this here, cos 180 minus 60 minus theta, cos 180 plus 60. Since this is in the form of cos 180 minus theta, that is minus cos 60 minus theta, this is minus cos 60 plus theta. Take common minus. So cos a plus b into cos a minus b, 2 cos a cos b, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, cos theta minus cos theta gets cancelled. That's why answer is 0. That is in second option. That's all. So I will give the questions, practicing questions on these concepts. You can practice these models. I will give the practicing questions. Since here 2 gets cancelled, that's why cos theta minus cos theta 0. That is second option. Now you can practice these questions. Now the first question, 4 times of sine 24 plus cos 6 degrees. This is the answer. Now for this one, this is the answer. So you can practice all the questions and verify the answers. Okay? Right. Bye.